My dear students, today I am going to explain you one two questions in physics numericals. The first question is, a boy of mass 40 kg runs up a flight of 50 steps, each 10 centimeter high in 5 seconds. Find the power developed where acceleration due to gravity equals to 9.8 meter per second square. Answer is force of gravity on boy is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity, and that is equals to 40 into 9.8, and that's equals to 392 Newton. So total distance covered, that is equals to 50 into 10 because 50 steps and each step is 10 centimeter. So it is equals to 500 centimeter, and we have to convert in meter because every unit should be in the SI unit. So 500 centimeter equals to 5 meter. So now work done by the boy in climbing is equals to force into distance, and that is equals to 392 into 5 joule, that is equals to 1960 joule. And power developed is equals to, work done by time taken. So work done is 1960 divided by time taken is 5 seconds. So that is equals to 392 watt. Since 1 joule per second is equals to 1 watt. And that's why here up is work done, that is in joule, and time taken is second. So joule per second, that is equals to watt. And 746 equals to 1 horsepower. So this 392 watts should be converted into horsepower. So this is equals to, this will be divided by 746. So 392 by 746, this became horsepower, and that is equals to 0.52 horsepower, that is HP. This is the answer. Second question is, a spring is kept compressed by a small cart of mass 150 gram. On releasing the cart, it moves with a speed of 0.2 meter per second. Find the potential energy, that is elastic, of the spring. So the answer is, by law of conservation of energy, we know that potential energy of a spring is equals to kinetic energy gained by cart, and that is equals to 1 by 2 into mass into velocity square, that is equals to 1 by 2 mv square. So that's equals to 1 by 2 into 150 gram into 0.2 square. And now we have to convert it into kg because in SI system we have to keep all the physical quantities. So 1 by 2 into 150 by 1000 kg into, and 0.2 to the whole square becomes 0.04. And that is equals to 150 into 4 by 2 into 1000 into, and after removing the decimal, here it becomes 100. So now 1 0 up, 1 0 down, it is being cancelled. 2 2 are 4, it is being cancelled. So it is left 15 into 2 by 10,000. Again 15 2 are 30, 30 by 10,000. So 0 0 again cancelled. So 3 by 1000, and that is equals to 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule. This is the final answer. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.